What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I am starting off this video next to my beautiful Laguna Seca Blue E46 M3 here, and we're going to be doing a little bit of work to this car in this video, and also taking it to a local Cars and Coffee meet, which is actually going to be tomorrow morning. But before we can do that, I actually have to change the oil in the car because I've owned this car for like 9 months now and I haven't even changed the oil. Technically, I've only driven it like less than 1,000 miles, if that, but I don't even know if the last owner changed the oil recently or anything like that. So I gotta get this oil changed before I spin a rod bearing. Fingers crossed that doesn't happen. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm just gonna be changing the oil on the car. I actually was going to be putting a front lip on this car. Let me go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So I was going to be throwing that replica CSL type of front lip onto the car. This is actually my cousin George's. This came off of his old E46 M3, but he hit something and busted the front lip and someone tried fixing it, but honestly it does not fit good, so I don't think I'm even going to try throwing this on. I don't know, I might throw it on, but we'll see how it goes. I actually want to get your guys' opinion on a front lip that I want to buy soon. Now, I was debating on getting a CSL front bumper for the car, but I want to be a little bit different. I want to know your guys' thoughts on these two lips that I'm gonna pop up here real soon. They're actually both like hard edge replicas. I don't know if you guys know the tuning company Hard Edge. These replica lips are made by Status Group. I don't think anyone else actually makes these lips besides Hard Edge themselves, and I'm pretty sure they don't even make those anymore. So the first one I'm gonna put up right here is the uncut Status Group Hard Edge front lip for these cars, which does not require any cutting to the front bumper. And then the second one I'm gonna put up is the cut version of the front lip, and also both of these come with a splitter. The second one is the cut version, which I actually have to cut these edges off the front bumper right here in order for that lip to fit. So they're technically the same brand lip, but one's cut, one's uncut. So let me know which style you guys think looks better. I'm personally going towards the uncut version because honestly I don't really want to damage my front bumper like that. So let me know what you guys think. Cut version or uncut version. As far as anything else goes, I still haven't sent my new BBSs out to get refinished. They're still sitting in the box right here. For those who haven't seen these are BBS RS2s. They come in 2-piece, but I'm going to convert those to 3-piece and make them perfect E46 fitment. So that's probably going to be a little while until those are done. But yeah, guys, I'm still debating on throwing this front lip on today. It didn't fit that well when me and my cousin George tried to put it on there, so I don't know if I'll even be throwing it on, but we'll see how it goes. Before we move on to working on the E46 M3, here's a quick little word from today's sponsor. What is up, you guys? I want to take a quick minute of your time to thank the sponsor of today's video, and that is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber has been a long time sponsor of the channel now, and for those of you who don't know who Simply Carbon Fiber is, they are a carbon fiber company. They make so many products such as iPhone cases, iPod cases, sunglasses, keychains, and just a bunch of cool carbon fiber accessories. They actually went ahead and sent me out a cool new iPhone case, which I've been in dire need of because my phone case is completely beat up. I tossed this thing around like no tomorrow. So I was in need of a new case. Just check out how good their packaging is, guys. They got SCF written on the packaging itself. Let me go ahead and open this baby up. Check out this beautiful packaging, guys. It comes in a cool little velvet case, and then we got the beautiful carbon fiber case right here. Just look at how good this case looks. It even has like a soft like inside, that way it doesn't scratch your phone. We got a sticker and some cards as well, and just beautiful packaging in general. Huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. I need to throw this case on ASAP because this case simply will not do. Check that out, guys. Just look at how good that looks. That beautiful carbon fiber weave, and it's real carbon fiber. It's not like a sticker or anything like that. Completely changes the look of your phone. If you guys haven't checked out Simply Carbon Fiber's website, I will have the link down below along with my personal code, which will save you some money at checkout if you guys do decide to buy something. Just go and check out their website. They got a bunch of stuff and I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. As always, huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring the video. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, guys, huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring the video, but let's get moving on with the E46 M3, and let me get it pulled inside so I can start changing the oil on this car. Got some fresh OEM BMW oil in there, as you guys just saw, with a brand new filter. I also checked out the oil a little bit, and it seems like there are a little bit of metal shavings in there which indicate rod bearings, so I'm gonna have to do rod bearings very soon. Which I'm not looking forward to. But yeah, other than that, car's looking good. If you guys noticed, I went ahead and threw on that lip, even though I said I probably wouldn't, but it didn't come out half bad. It's a good look from 10 feet away, but once you get up close, you can see gap's not that good, and honestly it's just a broken lip in general, so I'm expecting to break it either way. That's gonna be it for today, and I will catch you guys in the morning when I come back to pick up the car. That way we can head to the car show. Good morning, guys. It is currently 8 a.m. I just went ahead and picked up my E46 M3 from the shop. I didn't feel like taking it home last night. I just wanted to leave it inside so it can stay clean. But yeah, me and the boy George, who's following behind me right now in his silver E36 M3, are heading out to the Cars and Coffee. Hopefully it's a good turnout. It was last time, so I'm expecting it to be a better turnout this time. I went a little late last time and there was barely any parking, so I decided to go a little bit earlier this time. It starts at 8 a.m. so. But yeah, other than that, I'm hoping it's a good turnout at the show, and I will catch you guys when I'm there. Shut up. Shut up, I'm gonna call immigration. Alright guys, it's a pretty good turnout. We got a lot of cars. Got a nice E46 M3 right here. Clean old E30. Got a Cobra R. Got an off-road Lamborghini. Never seen one of these before.
Behind the scenes of T-Tizzle getting you guys some cinematics. Today on Fob Motorsport we have... What we have, man?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. Very beautiful car. It's good.
It's
nice,
good?
good car.
How fast is it, man?
I don't know, bro, John. I don't know.
What do you do for a living?
I don't know.
Alright guys, that is going to bring us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm starting to make a little bit of content again, so I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button. That means a lot more to me than you guys think. So make sure you guys smash that like button and subscribe to the channel as well, because I'm going to be coming out with a lot of content this year. I got a couple builds planned, which I'm sure you guys will be excited for. And if you guys haven't been watching the E30 build, make sure you guys go check that out. I am putting so much time and dedication into that build, so it would mean the world to me if you guys went ahead and checked that out. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want, and comment down below what you guys think about the video and the E46 M3 build so far. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.